Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. It's officially the best time of the year, and I'm so excited to show you my top 3 favorite Christmas treats. These are all super quick and easy to make, and are perfect for any Christmas event or party. I know the holidays can be super busy, but these are my go-tos so I'm not spending all day in the kitchen. Less than 20 minutes for each recipe and you'll have an irresistible Christmas treat that everyone will love. We're starting with the viral Christmas tree cake dip. This is actually a new one that I tried this year after seeing it all over social media, and it did not disappoint. For this recipe, you'll start by adding 2 boxes or 10 Christmas tree cakes chopped up into a large mixing bowl. Add in 8 ounces or 1 block of softened cream cheese, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that up with a hand mixer until everything's nice and combined. Enjoy this dip with graham crackers or pretzels. The sweet and salty combo with the pretzels was my absolute favorite. Add in an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. And gently fold that in. Once that's mixed, you'll add it to your serving bowl and top with some festive sprinkles. This recipe is perfect for a party or a Christmas potluck. Next, we're making Christmas crack. I've been making this mouth-watering chocolate toffee treat for as long as I can remember, and every year I get asked for the recipe. I don't even know how to put into words how good this stuff is, so you'll just need to try it. I make this for my friends, family, and coworkers every single year, and it's always my go-to for any cookie exchange parties, even though it's not technically a cookie. I think it's close enough. You'll start by lining a baking sheet with foil and covering the bottom with either saltine or club crackers. I used a larger size baking sheet in this video, so my measurements are slightly off, but I'll provide ratios for a standard baking pan. In a medium-sized saucepan, heat up 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar over medium heat. Let that melt fully and bring to a light boil. Boil that continuously for a full 3 minutes. You don't want the boil to be too aggressive, but just a nice, light, consistent boil. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and drizzle the butter mixture over the crackers. Spread that out evenly. Pop that in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes to help the toffee start to harden. Once that's done, immediately add a bag of chocolate chips. I personally like to use the semi-sweet mini chocolate chips for this recipe because they melt much easier. Let the chocolate sit for a couple minutes and then start to spread it evenly over the toffee. You want to have the entire pan covered in the melted chocolate from edge to edge. Next, you'll add on your toppings. You can add on any Christmas sprinkles, chopped up red and green M&Ms, or even white chocolate chips. Just make sure you add any toppings quickly before the chocolate hardens. Make sure to let this cool completely. I recommend tossing it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once those are completely cooled, you'll cut them into squares or break them into pieces like I did here. And they are ready to serve. I always have to portion these out at home so I don't eat them all in one sitting. The last Christmas treat favorite that I'm going to share today are the Hershey Kiss pretzels. I think just about everyone has tried these at some point in their lives, but I don't think people realize just how easy they are to make. You'll start by adding your pretzels to the bottom of a cookie sheet. I've found the mini pretzels or square pretzels look the best. Top each pretzel with a Hershey Kiss. There are lots of flavor combinations to choose from, but the kisses I used today were milk chocolate. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and bake those for about 4 to 6 minutes. You want the chocolate to be soft but not melted. Once you pull those out, immediately place a Christmas M&M on top of each Kiss. You want to make sure to push the M&Ms in far enough that they aren't going to come loose. This can get messy if you push too hard, so make sure to press lightly until you get your desired look. These are one of my all-time favorite Christmas snacks, and they take less than 10 minutes to make. Make sure to let the chocolate cool completely before serving. You can also toss them in the fridge for about 20 minutes to speed up the process. Just like that, you have a super easy but absolutely delicious Christmas treat. I hope you enjoyed my top 3 favorite Christmas treat recipes. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Check out some of our favorite dessert recipes that we've made here. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Enjoy!